The legal guardians of 10-year-old Gianna Bradley are expected in court tomorrow. But questions remain regarding oversight for children who are in the care of legal guardians. Christy Tomashiro spoke with legal experts and follows up.
Court documents state Gianna Bradley lived with the Blosses since she was 2 years old, and that Brandy and Thomas Bloss gained legal guardianship of Gianna when she was 4 after a judge signed guardianship paperwork in October of 2018. Legal experts say foster parents fall under the Department of Human Services and can file a petition to become legal guardians. But when it comes to legal guardians, oversight is limited.
The idea of the foster parents coming under the Department of Human Services, there's a structure and a set of rules and guidelines that they have to follow. Whereas for guardians, that doesn't exist as much. That is more of somebody who is coming in to basically take over a role that is approved for reasons that the court determines is appropriate.
Once you become a legal guardian, the court signs a guardianship order or set of rules to follow. We've asked if the state was required to check on Gianna, but DHS says family court can require legal guardians to file reports if it believes it's necessary.
There isn't a responsibility to check in with significant frequency to update the court, and any reporting is usually done by a third party, either a mandatory reporter or sometimes even the parents.
Harris says third-party reporters can include social workers, teachers, and doctors who might see the child often. But court documents show Brandy Bloss told police she could not remember the last time her children saw a pediatrician, and that Gianna may have last seen her doctor 3 years ago. Gianna was also pulled out of school in 2022. Meanwhile, family advocates say policies need to change.
I definitely think when there's money involved, especially with the care of a child, that along with those payments, there should be regular checkups.
Brandy and Thomas Bloss and Deborah Jaron are due in court Wednesday for their preliminary hearing. Christy Tomashiro, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.